This is about my life when I was 16 and 17 years old, and this was the venom coming out of my life. Here we go. Let me get my swag on. Man, I feel sorry for you. It's gonna go quick. Here we go. Yeah, this is my life. Yeah. It's my story. It's my pain, my glory. You know, everything's a struggle. If I could change my past, I'll be staying out of trouble and I know it lasts. But this is my life, a battle for my faith. Save my soul before it gets too late. Who's gonna win and who's gonna lose? I never thought I'd be wearing these shoes of black. Man, it don't feel right when the mind kinda see the light. Until the night, walk with me, come on, walk with me. Come on, dead bitches, talk with me. Have you ever thought about me in your life? Why'd you wanna kill me and take away my life? I'm your blood dad, I'm your son dad. Yeah, it's messed up knowing that I never knew my dad. Who didn't wanna be a dad? What's up with that? Don't understand where yo, I gotta move past. Hey daddy, daddy, hey, where you been? In the jail cell, yeah, once again. You ain't never seen me smile, never seen me walk, never seen me talk, never seen me rock this microphone. Yeah, this is my home, let me out of my pain, cause I know I'm not alone. Yeah, these are my peaks, and I'm telling how I feel. This is no secret, I'm keeping it real. Now, mama, why'd you have to run away? Why'd you leave me alone? Why'd you have to make me pay for my daddy's sins and daddy's lies? Daddy's pain and daddy's lies. Now I'm on the outside here looking inside. I'ma bust this curse even if I gotta die. Everybody runs. Everyone loses something sometime. I never thought I'd have to lose my mind, yeah, lose my world and lose my soul. Lose the ones who really gave me hope. Now my sister's been killed and my brother's been killed and my friend's been killed. When am I gonna heal? In the snap of a finger and my life gets tapped in my brain. I'm living and making a start to feel trapped where the loved ones, yeah, hate begins. Now I'm mad at the world cause the pain won't end. I'll cover up the hurt, cover up the shame. I'm caught in the middle of a hurricane of pain, no pain, pain. Show me what you got. Now I'm never gonna let it go on back in my heart. Till my wrists start to bleed and I don't feel the need of living this life where someone help me, man, I need you. Take a breath with me. Yeah, let me believe that you believe in me. Yeah, let me believe that you believe in me. Yeah, let me believe that you believe in me. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.